Hello, everyone. Here is Mary speaking.
Hi, I'm Amy.
Welcome to our live broadcast.
Yes, it's very glad to see you in our live broadcast.
Yes, and today is the last live broadcast in March. We will show you around our machining workshop today.
Yes, the March Purchasing Festival is coming to an end, so hurry up to get the discount coupons. Do you remember how to get the discount coupons? All the friends who enter our live broadcast and send inquiry to us, then you can get our discount coupons.
Yes, after you get the discount coupons, as long as the order amount reached to 10,000 later, $10,000, then you can get a 10% discount.
That's great. Hope all of you can get our discount coupons.
Yes, hurry up to get the discount coupons and hope everyone can get it. And now we are at the site now. You see, behind us are our machining workshop. And later we will show you around it. Our factory was located in Dalian City. You know, Dalian is a very beautiful coastal city in the northeast of China. This city was surrounded by sea on the three sides, so it is very convenient for export. And we have the routes to all around the world, such as American, UK, Australia, and so on. It takes only about 2 or 3 days to the Southeast Asia and Japan, and only takes about 11 days to Singapore. So it is very convenient, right?
Yes, it's very convenient, and Dalian is a very beautiful city, and mm, we we have there are a lot of famous tourist attractions and delicious seafood, and Dalian is also rich of cherries. You can take a look.
Yeah, over there it's
Yes, and there is a cherry orchard, and in summer the cherries will ripen. Do you like cherries? Welcome to our factory. You can taste these cherries and um, see many beautiful scenes.
Yes, I like cherry so much. I can't wait to hope this cherry can ripen as soon as possible. And now it's spring in Dalian City, and today is sunny. I feels very warm. And welcome to Dalian City. We will show you around this beautiful city and enjoy the delivery delicious food here. And look at the building over there. Look at that building from this two floor two and floor three, our office air and our dining room for the workers. So our workers can enjoy the delicious food here for free.
And from floor 4 and 5, they are. This is a dormitory for someone who are far from home. The dormitory is very convenient.
Yes, and then follow us. We will show you around our workshop. Here we
Okay,
go.
follow us.
Okay. Before to go around this workshop, please allow me to speak more about our this machining department for you. Our this machining process department have more than 12 years experience in processing the machining parts, and we have ISO certification. And this factory department covers about 13,000 square meters, and we have advanced equipment and professional technical personnel.
Yes, and our factory has more than 40 CNC machining centers and riveting welding equipment. And the main equipments include seven large CNC machining gantry and two CNC bowling and milling machining centers and three horizontal CNC machining centers and four vertical machining centers and so on.
Yes, there are total 85 employed workers, and we have our own technical department and QC department. They are skillful use international advanced design and to provide user quality products.
And our production projects mainly involves casting and forging and riveting, welding, and machining. Products are widely used in aviation, aerospace, ships, large machinery, and locomotives, railway, wind power, automobile mode, and automatic production line, and other industries.
Okay, shall we start to introduce the equipment for our audience now?
Yes,
Here we
follow me
go.
to see the equipment. The equipment next to me is a CNC machining center. You can take a closer look. This is the smallest machining center in our factory. Its processing range is 800 millimeters in length and 600 millimeters in width and 700 millimeters in height. You may find it strange that this processing size is not small. This is because our factory mainly produces large-scale machining parts, and the general product size is more than 1 meter. So this size is relatively small. Of course, we also have a small machining parts factory. If your product is a small part, even if it's only a few centimeters, we can also make it. If there is an opportunity in the future, we will introduce our small parts machining factory to you. Um, and then follow me to see other equipment.
Okay, and before start to introduce other equipment for you, and let's say this machined parts. You see, there are so many bigger machined parts. They are all produced at this workshop. Let's have a look at these machined parts. Okay, here we go. Look at that equipment over there. I will introduce this equipment for you. And this equipment is a pentahedral CNC gantry machining center. This spiral of the machining center can be converted vertically and horizontally, which is called the vertical horizontal machining center or the Pentahedral Machining Center, also known as the Composite Machine Center, according to the number of columns of the machining center. There are single column type and the double column type, and the double column type is also the gantry type. It can realize the processing of 5 surfaces in one clamping of the workpiece. The processing range of this machining center is from length 5 meter to width 3 meter. The height is 1.6 meter, and the processing accuracy is positive and negative 0.02 millimeter per 1000 millimeter. This is the tool library. Different processing tools can be selected according to the type of processed products. And then look at here, the workers are operate to type the suitable size, and this machine then can process with the accurate size to produce the suitable accurate products for you.
And you can see the workers are moving parts uh, uh, because our path is very large, so it's difficult to move. So we need to use the top screen. So we need to use the top screen to move the path. And follow me to see another equipment. Okay, follow me to see another equipment. Do you know what this equipment is? It's a vertical CNC machining center. Do you know why it's called vertical CNC machining center? Uh, it's because the spindle is vertical and its structure is mostly a fixed column. The work table is rectangular and without indexing rotation function, suitable for processing plate, sleeve, board pass. The vertical machining center is easy to install and easy to operate, easy to observe the processing conditions, and has a wide range of applications. However, due to the limitation of the height of the column, and the two changer paths that are too high cannot be processed. You can see how to how to how to process.
Okay, let's see how this equipment works. This panel can be typed with the size or just enter the joints here, and this equipment will start to process the workpiece to get the products you need.
Okay, the worker is processing, and now follow me to see other equipment. There are also some paths.
And these big machining parts are produced by this equipment. Okay,
Okay,
please follow us.
and this is a gantry CNC machining center.
Have a look at this machine.
There are products are processing. The workers is operating,
Yes, the workpiece with big size, so can use this machine to process it.
and you can see another equipment. There are other large machining part. You can see this part is very big, right?
This product is super bigger with bigger size. So this workpiece needs a bigger equipment to process it.
And now um, we can see the horizontal CNC machining center.
You see, here are also so many machined parts. Have a look at this. Yes, and also over there, machined parts. And then later, after introduce the machine for you, my colleague Amy will also introduce some products for you.
The equipment next to me is a horizontal CNC machining center. Horizontal machining center refers to the spindle for the horizontal state of the machining center, usually with a square work table capable of indexing and rotating motion. Generally, they are three to five motion coordinates. The common one is three linear motion coordinates plus one rotary motion coordinate. It can make the workpiece complete the process of the remaining four surfaces except the rotating surface and the top surface after one clamping, which is most suitable processing box parts. And the processing range of this machining center is 1500 millimeters in length and 100 1000 millimeters in width, and the height is 700 millimeters.
Okay, look at this equipment. The big workpiece are undergoing processing. So you see, it is with big size, and this equipment are good at processing this big size workpiece. As you can see, most of our processing equipment is CNC machining center. This comprehensive processing capacity of this machining center is relatively strong, and more processing contents can be completed after the workpiece is clamped once, and the processing accuracy is high. For batch workpieces with medium processing difficulty, its efficiency is 5 to 10 times that of ordinary equipment. Especially, it can complete many processing that ordinary equipment cannot. It is more suitable for single-piece processing with complex shapes and high precision requirements, or for small and medium batch production of multiple varieties.
Okay, follow me to move. You can see the screen is move. I think it's to move other parts. This there are some wiring.
Yes, the workpiece is very big size. Bigger cannot be hung.
Yes, and then here you can see it's very large.
Yes, compare with me. This workpiece is very big. And see this machine parts over there. Our this CNC machining center are good at to produce the machining parts such like this.
Let's see the screen how to move the parts. The gallery is very It's very heavy.
Yeah, very heavy. So need to use the crane to lift it.
Yes, and the workers is operating. The parts have been lifting. It's very easy by the screen to move it.
So this workpiece can be sticked on the finished one.
Yes.
All of these machined parts are the semi-finished one in order to save space, so they can be sticked one by one here. And then follow us. Amy will introduce another very important and most popular equipment for you. Here we go.
Do you know what this equipment is? It's a constant temperature workshop. It looks very big. This is the outside of the temperature workshop, the constant temperature workshop. And the machinery inside is also a Panty-Hazel CNC machining center. Some parts may need to be assembled at a specific temperature, so we can process in a constant temperature workshop. Its processing range is 8,000 millimeters in length and 4,000 millimeters in width and 25,000 2,500 millimeters in height. The machine is processing.
Let's see how this machine working.
The temperature is very important for when we making the parts, when we processing the parts. The constant temperature workshop is to processing the parts for special requirements, and it can ensure the accuracy of the parts.
Yes, keep the good accuracy.
This equipment is the most expensive equipment in our factory, and some foreign customers are also very care about this equipment.
Yes, usually when some customers have a requirement to keep the higher precision, and then this workshop and this machine can be used for the required machined parts. You see, I'm standing here, and you can find how big this this equipment is. And usually, when our customers need the product with higher precision, this equipment can process it for you.
You can see there are many tools. We can choose different tools according to the parts we need to process. And our CNC machining center processing range is relatively large. In Dalian and even the whole country, there are very few large-scale machining factories like ours. Can be said to be a handful because the cost of a CNC machining center is very expensive. Few manufacturers we are willing to invest large costs to enter this field.
Our this machining department has more than 12 years of experience in the field of large machining. We have rich production experience and material processing technology. We are confident to provide you with high-quality products and satisfy the service. If you have any questions about the products, please send inquiry to us.
After learning about the products and equipment, I also want to see the real products. Come with me and take a look at our products on site now. This is a gallery. We have seen it on that side. It's made of 42 cr mile steel. As you can see, it's very large in size. Its diameter is about 2.28 meters. The thickness is 0.5 meters. It's used for wind power. We have done a lot of wind power related products. We made more than 500 pieces of this part last year. After delivery, the customer is very satisfied with our product quality, delivery time, and service. This year, we got an order from this customer again.
You know, at any time, the quality control is the first very important element. So we pay great attention to quality management. In terms of raw materials, after the material is purchased, sorry, we will inspect the raw material to confirm that materials meet the standards. In terms of production, after the customer confirms the order, our engineers will make the production drawings. After the drawing is completed, our review department technicals will review and double-check the drawing to confirm that there is no problem, and then the drawings will be sent to the file operators for production. And after the completion of production, our experienced inspectors will use professional equipment to inspect the products. Of course, we will send the inspection reports to our customers so you can master the status of the products at home through various checks and the quality control system to ensure that customers receive not only qualified products but also the best products.
This is the you can have a look. Its length is about 6 meters. is made of carbon steel. There is another product over there. Over there, the product is the locking disc. Follow me to see that. Follow me to see that product. Okay. Okay, we can see this product. This is a locking disc, which is also used for wind power. Its material is stainless steel, and its diameter is about 3 meters. Uh, we can see over there. The 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 door is to be closed because our workers need to processing the parts. And about the locking disc that we just mentioned, we start producing the locking disc part last year, and we produced more than 400 pieces in total last year. And in the production process, we found a way to save processing time and improve work efficiency, which can reduce a lot of costs. If you are interested in these products or other wind power products, welcome to contact us, and we will send you more detailed information.
Okay, we are good at process the material of carbon steel and the stainless steel material. We also can process other materials such as the copper, the illumination, and the iron, and other metal materials. So if you have any inquiry, just please send message to us. We will use the suitable equipment to produce the most suitable products for you. And over the years, our products have been sold to many different countries and regions, such as Europe and UK, American, Japan, Korea, and some domestic regions, and so on. Our customers have consistently praised our product quality and service. It is precisely because of the affirmation and support of the customers that we can greatly develop and get better and better.
We usually produce according to the customer's drawing, but if you don't have the drawing, please don't worry. You can tell us your requirements or send us your sample, and then our professional technicians can design the drawings for you. And regarding the products, besides the ones we have introduced just now, there are also other types products. Um, I will show you. Okay, you can look here. These are uh, equipment, and you can see the products. There are some slab, such as power base plate and aluminum test plate. and power base plate and other
Yes,
plate.
it is our catalog of machined products. If you want to know more of our company and our products, please keep the follow which next to our company name to follow us. And now let's see our catalog to know more about our products.
Yes, yes, you can see there are pro- automation parts, automation machining parts, such as automotive tooling bottom plate and some fixture, and also have riveting and welding parts, such as roller rack and some forging parts and valve housing, casting parts, and some cast iron parts. Also have plate assembly parts and machine tool accessories. There are many different machining parts. Mm,
Okay. After seeing the products in our catalog, I think you have a general idea of what kind of machined parts we can do. If you are interested in it or there is any inquiry, please send message to us. Welcome to following us and send inquiry to us.
through our introduction today, I believe you have had a general idea of our factory and our products. In short, as long as your product is mental, as long as your product is large enough, then welcome to send us your inquiry. If of course, if your product is if the size of your product is not large, you can also contact us. We also have another small machining factory that is capable to machining small parts. Anyway, as long as your product is mental, welcome to send us inquiry. We can process it for you.
Okay, then please let's show our audience around our this workshop. Okay, here we go. Show around this workshop for our customers. Do you remember it? This most popular equipment is here. And so many CNC machining center.
And there are some casting machining parts.
And sometimes maybe you will have the difficulty because the products you need with big size, you don't know where have the suitable machine can process this big size worker piece. Then you can contact with us and we will provide you the suitable quality, the good quality products. Okay. Okay, hello everyone. Here is the last live broadcast in March. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Keep following us. And thank you for your support during this live broadcast.
Yes, thank you very much.
And please keep following us. And if there is any inquiry, welcome send message to us. Thank you for your support. Have a nice time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.